The Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Solo combines compact design, one-touch brewing, and versatile coffee sizes, making it an easy way to enjoy rich cafe-quality coffee at home. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Solo coffee machine, cup holder, Nespresso capsule set, water tank, and user manual. Product overview. How to use? To use the Vertuo Pop Plus Solo machine, fill the water tank with fresh drinking water, then place it back on the machine. Close and lock the machine to turn it on, or press the coffee button if it is already locked. The button light will blink as the machine heats up for about 30 seconds, then remain steady when ready. Place a suitably sized cup on the cup support, open the machine head, insert a Nespresso Vertuo capsule with the dome-shaped side facing down, then close and lock the head. Press the coffee button to start brewing. The machine will automatically read the capsule barcode and select the ideal brewing settings and coffee volume. After a brief pre-wetting and infusion, coffee will begin to flow. You can stop brewing early by pressing the button, or add more coffee by pressing it again and stopping at your desired volume. Once brewing is complete, turn the handle to the right to automatically eject the used capsule. How to pair. To pair your Vertuo Pop Plus Solo machine, first download and update the Nespresso app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your mobile device and stay close to the machine. Open the app, tap the machine icon from the home screen and ensure your machine is plugged in and switched on. For the Bluetooth connection, place your phone on top of the machine with Bluetooth activated. Next, select your Wi-Fi network in the app and enter the Wi-Fi password. Once the connection process is complete, your Vertuo Pop Plus machine will be paired and ready to use, giving you access to coffee recommendations, machine care alerts, and the latest features. How to clean. To clean your Vertuo Pop Plus Solo machine, rinse and refill the water tank, empty the capsule container and drip tray, and place a 1-liter container under the coffee outlet. Lock the machine, wait for it to heat up, then press the coffee button 3 times within 2 seconds to start the cleaning cycle. The machine runs automatically for about 7 minutes and stops when the light turns steady. For descaling, use a Nespresso descaling solution mixed with water, enter descaling mode, and follow the automatic cycle, then rinse and refill the tank. To empty the system, run the emptying process using the button and power connection sequence until the machine shuts off automatically. Smart features? Just insert a capsule and press a single button to start brewing instantly. The machine automatically handles the entire process for a smooth, hassle-free coffee experience. Supports a range of coffee sizes from espresso to larger mugs using Vertuo capsules. This lets you enjoy different coffee styles with a single machine. Its small, space-saving body fits easily in any kitchen or office setup. The modern, colorful design adds a premium and stylish look to your space. The machine heats up in about 30 seconds, so you don't have to wait long for your coffee. It quickly reaches the optimal temperature for smooth and consistent brewing. The machine automatically reads capsule barcodes to adjust brewing settings. This ensures each cup is brewed with the ideal temperature, water flow, and extraction time for best flavor. Specifications. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Vertuo Pop Plus coffee maker. See you at the next one.